How to change a review on Etsy. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change your review on Etsy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change your review on Etsy, just go to etsy.com. Once you go to etsy.com, make sure that you're signed into your account. And let's say you've given a star rating or a written note to someone else, and that you want to change that rating or your review, then you can actually absolutely do that. So first of all, after you sign into etsy.com website, on the very top right hand side, you can see a little profile icon, right? Just click on the your account button, and then here you'll find the option that is purchases and reviews. So you want to basically go ahead and click on the purchase and reviews, and if you purchase something, you'll find all those purchases here. And then once you find your purchases, you should be able to edit the review that you've made for them. In my case, I've not made any type of purchases, so you're not seeing the option, but if you have, then you'll find your purchases section, you'll find your reviews. You can click on the edit button next to your review, and you can also actually edit the star rating, the written note, and everything else. So hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.